Eyelashes dark in sight, love bakes to confide. Skin white like snake glisten, your glow you can't deny. Hold you where deceit can't plague you any longer. You are my lungs, don't let my eyes gloss over. You will be my last breath. Life does not end at death, but at the end of love. A moment right in between earth and heaven, a line visible, now blended. Grip around my heart, at once relinquished. Lips lonely, smell, the gloss is malicious. But I wish that this eternal bliss is not
my silence saying
as an eyelash on the deal I've given me from my wish.
Can we please make this last forever? Life's never seemed more simple than this. Can we please make this last forever? Life's never seemed more simple than sitting on your front